Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aditya Prajapati Arts. I make art contents like paintings, sketches and oil pastel drawings and different art techniques I usually use in my drawing ideas guys. So in this video I am going to show you an unboxing of 24 shades pencil colors of DOMs, and I will tell you what is the price, how much price I bought this from, where I bought this. I will definitely tell you at the end of the video, so stick around with me and watch full video so that you can watch everything related to this collection guys. So come to the point, and before starting the video I'm going to show you a very essential polythene. This is a lamination polythene. This will be very beneficial for you if you are a sketch artist, so you should definitely use this lamination polythene when you are making. Actually this is very essential for you. What is the use of this lamination polythene? I will tell you guys. This is very essential when we are going to make any kinds of sketch. So when we are going to make another thing, so it is automatically put in that. So it is definitely a destroying idea if we are making any kinds of sketch like this. So this is going to be an unattractive method of making any sketch. So guys, this is a suggesting point guys. I am going to suggest you should definitely use this lamination polythene when you are making any kinds of sketch guys, because this is very essential for you guys. You should definitely use, because now this if you will use this for making any kinds of drawings, any kinds of sketch. So guys, this is not going to be mingle, and this is very attractive idea for you for making any kinds of sketch guys. If you are making, so you should definitely use it. You can buy it from your nearby market. This will be available in laptop shop easily guys. This is not so expensive. You can buy it in very cheap prices guys. You should definitely use, but I am going to suggest you guys. So guys, let's come to the point. What I wanted to tell you, I'm going to show you an unboxing of 24 sets colors of DOMs guys. So guys, let's open. Wow, what a nice packing. There are 24 different colors guys. There are 24 different colors, and we can make everything whatever we want to make in different art colors. By using these colors we can make everything, because there are 24 colors. There are no other colors available in the world. If we are going to make any kinds of things, we can make easily guys. And I'm going to show you how are these colors. These are hard or soft colors, because the main problem is not there. The main problem is if we are using any hard color, so this is not going to be very attractive idea. This is not going to be an very this is going to be a destroying idea. If we are using hard pencil for making drawings, we should always use soft pencils for making our drawings or portrait guys, because these are soft pencils. I am going to show you by shading. You can see guys, as you can see guys, this is very soft pencil guys. This is very essential for you. If you want to buy, you can buy, and this is very cheap guys. I will tell you the price. What is the price of this collection guys? You can see this will be very beneficial for you guys. If you are an artist, you should definitely buy this, because this is very cheap guys. I'm going to tell you what is the price from where I bought this. I bought this from my nearby market, because the market is available in just 5 kilometer far from me. So for that I bought, and this is in just 120 rupees. You can, as you can see, the as you can see, MRP is 120 rupees, and one sharpener is also available with this. If these colors are not available in your nearby market, so you can buy this online. This I mean, you can buy this from Flipkart or Miso. I will put the link in description if you want to buy, but I will suggest to you guys, if you are if you are a beginner artist, so you should definitely use these DOMS colors, because this is very useful, and these are very useful, guys. You should definitely use and buy, because this is not so expensive, you can buy easily, guys. So guys, in this video I wanted to talk about only this. If you like my videos, please definitely like, because it will definitely make a difference for me, and subscribe to my channel and share to all your family members and your friends, so that we can support each other, and so that it can be it can be the reason of my motivation, guys. Because my motivation, when my motivation will high, so drawings will be very nice, because motivation leads to, I mean, motivation leads to any kinds of action, guys, because this is the connection of between motivation and action, guys. So for that I am saying, please like and subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I will put the link in description, because I am working hard, I am making drawings, and there are very few followers on Instagram. So follow me, guys, on Instagram, and let's meet in another video, guys. So bye bye, have good luck.